Miss Muffet, do you want to listen what happened to Miss Muffet? Yes, please tell us. Little Miss Muffet, she sat on a tuffet, eating of curds and whey. There came a great spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Oh, really? The spider made her frightened? Can you tell us again, please? Little Miss Muffet, she sat on a tuffet, eating of curds and whey. There came a great spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Little Miss Muffet, she sat on a tuffet, eating of curds and whey. There came a great spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Dear friends, subscribe my channel for more videos.